This keeps a freezer of expressions. Cold knees, cold feet, cold shoulders. Somebody in there is fine, probably. Here are 8 idioms about cold. Number 1, colder than a well-digger's knee. A well-digger spends all day at the bottom of a damp, sunless hole. His knee, science agrees, is the coldest object in the county. It means bitterly, deeply cold. Number 2, cold enough to freeze the horns off a billy goat. Horns do not technically come off. That is the point. When the weather starts breaking the laws of goat anatomy, stay indoors. Number 3, left out in the cold. The party is inside. The lights are warm, and someone forgot to send your invitation. Left out in the cold means excluded, forgotten, and still knocking. Number 4, get cold feet. The plan looked great from a distance. Then the big day arrived and the feet turned to ice. Getting cold feet means losing your nerve right at the edge. Number 5, give someone the cold shoulder. No shouting, no argument, just a shoulder rotated slowly and precisely in your direction. The cold shoulder means being pointedly, silently ignored. Number 6, in cold blood. Warm blood acts in anger. Cold blood plans, waits, and never flinches. Doing something in cold blood means doing it calmly, without a flicker of feeling. Number 7, throw cold water on it. The idea was on fire. Everyone was excited. Then somebody arrived with a bucket. Throwing cold water on an idea means killing the enthusiasm in one splash. It'd break the ice. 2 strangers, one frozen silence. Somebody has to swing first, usually with a terrible joke. Breaking the ice means getting past the awkward start. And that is 8 idioms about cold. Now go break some ice, gently. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.